Good evening, hockey fans, and welcome to the 82nd annual Minnesota State High School Boys Hockey Tournament. Our fourth AA quarterfinal features the champions of Section 5 with a record of 11-14-3, the Andover Huskies. Against the champions of Section 6 with a record of 21-6-1, the Edina Hornets. Before we meet the players, let's meet the Edina cheer team. Graham Barber, Leonie Pepper-Ivy, Maureen Kinner, Cindy Constantine Cowie, Lucy Dow, and Charlotte Owen. Now, let's meet the Huskies. Sophomore goalie number 1, Ryan Kramer. Junior defenseman number 3, Caleb Schultz. Senior defenseman number 4, Owen Lutkin. Sophomore defenseman number 5, Dylan Knox. Senior forward number 7, Brody Peterson. Senior defenseman number 8, Chase Nato. Senior forward number 9, KJ Sauer. Junior forward number 10, Camden Langveld. Sophomore forward number 12, Will Plato. Junior forward number 14, Will Thackeray. Senior defenseman number 15, Cooper Johansson. Sophomore forward number 17, Chase Henderson. Senior forward number 18, Dylan Larson. Sophomore forward number 19, Jack Wrigley. Junior forward number 21, Don Delich. Senior forward number 22, Keaton Cole. Senior defenseman number 24, Casey Rogers. Junior forward number 26, Cade Dorstad. Junior forward number 29, Nolan Peterson. And junior goalie number 35, Peyton Foster. The assistant coaches are Cal Bonowski and Jordan Leopold. Head coach Mark Manning. Now let's meet the Hornets. Senior goalie number 1, Chase Porter. Senior forward number 2, Brady Molman. Junior defenseman number 3, Drew Watts. Sophomore forward number 6, Nash King. Senior defenseman number 7, Sam Beckham. Senior forward number 8, Tucker Johnson. Sophomore forward number 9, Dylan Dene. Junior forward number 10, Cody McConnell. Senior forward number 12, Alex White. Sophomore defenseman number 14, Becker Winkus. Sophomore defenseman number 15, Miller Winkus. Senior forward number 16, Brady Peterson. Senior forward number 17, Evan Gilder. Junior forward number 18, Gage Dyer. Sophomore defenseman number 19, Isaac Smith. Senior forward number 20, Jack Fitzgerald. Senior forward number 21, David Barreca. Ninth grade defenseman number 22, Brooks Suter. Sophomore forward number 24, Ben Barreca. And junior goalie number 30, Ryan Keeley. The assistant coaches are Josh Hardy and Dave Fuller. Head coach Kirk Giles. your tonight's game officials on the line, Bo Hansen, Gavin Jocelyn. Your referees are Nick Bradshaw and Jeremy